Hello everyone. In this video, I will share with you how we can replace a letter, replace a sentence, or replace a word in Vim. So, my cursor is currently at the top here. There's something above. So, we have a key R. So R, we can replace one letter by another letter. So now if I want to replace this S with the lowercase s, I will press R and I will type S. Okay. So now my S uppercase will become a S lowercase. And we have S. When you press S, it will replace with many text. It means that replace the current letter with many letters. So in with R you just replace one letter by another letter, but with S you will replace one letter by many letters. So let's press S so that many letter here. Okay. And if you want to replace the whole sentence here to the other thing, so you need to press S uppercase. So now I will press Shift S. Okay. Now I will type replace the whole sentence. And also we have a R with a uppercase version. So if you press R uppercase, okay, I will press Shift R. You will please pay attention on the bottom left. You will see that we have a text replace. It means that we come from the current mode to the replace mode. So in this replace mode, if you type anything, it will replace the current text. So now I type something different. Okay, you will see that I can type and the new letter will replace the old one. So maybe I will jump into this line and I press Shift R. Okay. I want to replace whole sentence by my new sentence here, and the old one will be gone. Okay, and I will delete. Okay, okay, and the old one will be gone. Okay, so that is about R key and S key. So we also have C key. So a C we will use this combined with the movement key. So that you will like if you want to change two letter to the right, you will need to type C2 and with the right is L. So you will type C2L. Please pay attention on the bottom right. You will see the track, the key that I press. Okay, so if I want to replace the two letter to the right, I will C, two, and L. Okay, so it will delete the two letters to the right, and now I will insert my text here. So the same if I want to replace the word. So I want to replace the word. I will see the word is when you move to word. You will use W. You will press W. So if you want to change the word, you will press C combined with W. Okay, I got it here. So I need change to when. So if you want to like change three words, you will see three W. Okay, I change this with viewers. Okay. So that's it. That's all about how you can replace a text, how you can change the text in Vim. So let's summary that we have R that you replace one letter with another letter. You have R that enter you to the replace mod. So whatever you type is will replace the old one. So you have S to replace one text with many. You will replace one letter with many letters. And with the S, you will delete the whole sentence and you can type anything you want. And with the C, we can use this combined with the movement key. Movement key. So if you want to change two words, you will see 2W. Okay, and if you want to like change two letter to the right, you will see two L because L is the right. So maybe you want to change 20 letter to the right, you will see two 20 and L. So that's how it works. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you think that this tutorial is helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment below this video. I will take time to answer it. Okay. Thank you for watching again. Thank you.